continuation of my previous video on circles. Now, first concept is the intercept made by a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The intercept made by a circle, this is a general form of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. On x-axis is 2 root g square minus c. If g square minus c is greater than or equal to 0, then g square is greater than or equal to c. Next, second one, on the intercept made by a circle on y-axis is 2 root f square minus c if f square is greater than or equal to c. Yes, f square is greater than or equal to c. For example, find the intercept made by x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0 on x-axis and y-axis. Solution. Here given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. What we have to find here? Intercept on x-axis, intercept on y-axis. These two are we have to find. First one, intercept on x-axis formula 2 root g square minus c. Now comparing with the general equation of circle. The general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing these two. Here comparing with x coefficient, minus 4 is equal to 2g. From this, g is equal to minus 2. Next one, minus 6 is equal to 2f, implies f is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are equal to minus 3. 3 is equal to c, c is equal to 3. Therefore, intercept on x-axis is 2 root g square minus c. 2 root g square minus c is equal to 2 root, substitute g value in this, here g is a minus 2 whole square minus 3, which is equal to 2 into root over minus 2 whole square 4, 4 minus 3. Root 1 is 1, 2 into root 1, 1, 2 into 1 again 2. Next we have to find y-axis also. Next, intercept on y-axis is 2 root f square minus c. 2 root f square minus c. 2 into root over, here f is a minus 3 whole square minus 3, which is equal to 2 into root over minus 3 whole square will be 9. 9 minus 3, which is equal to 2 into 9 minus 3, 6. 2 root 6. Next one is intercept. Next concept, let us take a plane, x-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis, negative y-axis. Let us take a circle here. This is the center of the circle. Center of circle. What is this here? AB is a diameter and AC, CB are the radius of the circle. AB is a diameter of the circle. Let P be any point on the circle. Let P be any point on the circle. Now the equation is the equation of whose diameter extremities, what are extremities here? Diameter is AB. Here extremities are point A and point B are the extremities. The equation of whose diameter extremities is x minus x1 of x minus x2 plus y minus y1 of y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the formula for diameter extremities. For example, find the equation with diameter extremities are whose diameter extremities are 1, 2 and 4, 5. Here we have to find the equation of a circle. Diameters are given. Now let A is equal to, let us take A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 4, 5. Here AB as a diameter. Now the equation whose diameter extremities are x minus x1 of x minus x2. This is x1 y1. These are x2 y2. And the formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. From this x minus, here x1 is 1 into x minus x2 4 plus y minus y1 y minus 2 of y minus y2 y minus 5 is equal to 0. From this x into x square minus x into 4 4x minus 1 into x minus into minus plus 1 into 4 4. Here also same process, y into y square minus y into 5 5y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 into 5 10 is equal to 0. Implies here x square plus y square, here minus 4x minus 4x minus 5x minus 5y minus 2y, it will be minus 7y. Next the constants are here 4 plus 10 14 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0 is the equation of a required circuit. Now the second concept is parametric equation of a circuit. Parametric equation of a circuit. Parametric equation of circuit. Same diagram, x dash, y dash. This is the center of this is the circle in a given plane. The diameter, center C. C is the center of a circle. Also let Px comma y be any point on the circle. Px comma y be any point on the circle. Suppose let us take Q. Here CQ is equal to smaller radius. CP is radius. Now parametric equations will be, here C is a, let us take center as a h comma k. Center as h comma k. Here CP is equal to R. Here angle PCQ is denoted by like this theta. Angle PCQ is theta. Therefore, x is equal to, parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Like yes, from right angle triangle PCQ, we take cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here cos theta is equal to adjacent CQ by hypotenuse, PC or CP. We can take it as any. CQ is equal to CP is R, then CQ is equal to R cos theta. Similarly, CQ is equal to R sin theta, because of sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore, x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. For example, find the parametric equations of parametric equations of x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. Find the parametric equation of x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. First we have to find the center and the radius from this. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is 0. Now here the center is 2gx. Given equation is comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here the center 2g is equal to 6. From this g is equal to 3 and 2f is equal to 8. Then f is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 96. Here x is equal to h plus r cos theta. What are h comma k values? Center is nothing but h comma k here. The center is minus 3, minus 4. Minus g comma minus f is the center, is equal to minus 3, f is a minus 4 and r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c, implies g square. G square is minus 3 whole square will be 9 plus f square minus 4 whole square 16 minus c is also given here, c minus 96, which is equal to 9 plus 6 25 minus into minus plus 96. How much it is? 25 plus 96. 5 plus 6 11, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, 121. Root 21. Therefore r is equal to root 121. Root 121 can be written as 11 square. Here square root will get cancelled. R is equal to 11. Therefore here the center is minus g minus f is equal to minus 3 comma minus 4 and the radius is 11. Now we have to find a parametric equation of a given circle. We have to find a parametric equation of given circle. What are parametric equation? X is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. X is equal to, here h comma k is nothing but center here. Here h is a minus 3 plus r 11 into cos theta. Y is equal to k, here k is a minus 4 plus r 11 sin theta. These are parametric equations of a given circle. So parametric equations are completed. Our next concept is the circle equation passing through 3 or more points. The given equation, for example, find the equation of circle. This is very most important for 7 marks. Find the equation of a circle passing through. Find the equation of a circle passing through 3 points here. 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Question will be like this. Solution is, find the equation of a circle passing through 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. Now solution. Here general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This equation 1. Here let us take given points are, let a 3, 4, b 3, 2 and c is a 1, 4. First let us take a point. Here equation 1 is passing through 3, 4. First point implies, here put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 here. Put x equal to 3. Nothing but 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. Implies 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 2 into 3 6g, 2 into 4 8f plus c is equal to 0. Implies 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to, here 9 plus 16 25, 25 to on this side minus 25. Let us suppose this equation 2. Again same process. Equation 1 is passing through second point 3, 2. Same like this. Substitute x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 here. 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into x, y. X square plus y square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Implies 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 2 into 3 6g, 4f plus c is equal to 0. Implies 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to, 9 plus 4 13, 13 will be minus 13. Equation 3. Same like equation 1 is, again equation 1 is passing through last point c 1, 4. Implies, let us take x, y. Here substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. 1 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. Plus 1, 4 square 16 plus 2g plus 2 into 4 8f plus c is equal to 0. Implies 1 plus 6 17. Then line will be 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 1 plus 6 17, 17 from this side minus 17, equation 4. Now equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. We solve equation 2, 3, 4, will get GFC values and then substitute GFC values in equation 1. In general equation of circle, will get a required equation of a circle. Now just solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Here second equation is 6g plus 8f plus c. 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. And equation 3 is 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 30. We have to subtract here. Why we have to subtract? Here 6g let cancel. Minus plus. Here 6g minus 6c cancel. 8f minus 4f is 4f plus c minus c also cancel. Here minus 25 plus 13 minus 12. Therefore 4f is equal to minus 12, then f is equal to 4 1s are 4 3s are, f is equal to minus 3. F is equal to minus 3. Right? F is equal to minus 3. Next we have to find G and C. Next solve equation 3 and 4. equation. Solve here 2, 3. Next solve 3 and 4. Implies third equation is 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. And the fourth equation is 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. Implies here multiply by 3 here. Now 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. 3 into 2 6g, 3 8s are 24f plus 3c is equal to 7 into 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 into 3 minus 51. You know, again we have to subtract here. 6g minus c will get cancelled. 4 minus 24 minus 20f. Here plus c minus 3c minus 2c, which is equal to 51 minus 13. How much it is 51 minus 13? 51 minus 13. 8. 18. 28. 28 only. Next. From this, substitute f value here. Minus 20 into 38 or 28 or 38 only. 38. Okay, na? Just substitute f in this. Minus 20 into minus 3 minus 2c is equal to 38. From this, 20 into 3 60 minus 2c is equal to 38. Implies minus 2c is equal to 38 minus 60. Implies minus 2c is equal to minus 38 minus 60 minus 12. Implies 22. Then c is equal to, here minus minus will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 11s are. Therefore c is equal to 11. After that we have to find a g. Now substitute in equation 4. From equation 4, 2g plus 8f, 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. So here substitute f and c in this, will get a g value. 2g plus 8 into, here f is minus 3 plus c 11 is equal to minus 17. Implies 2g, 8 into 3 24 plus 11 is equal to minus 17. Implies 2g is equal to minus 24 plus 11 minus 13 is equal to minus 17. Implies 2g is equal to minus 17 plus 13. Implies 2g is equal to minus 4. Therefore g is equal to minus 2. Therefore g is equal to minus 2 1s are 2 2s are, will get g value is minus 2. Therefore g is equal to minus 2 and f is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 11. GFC. Now g, substitute GFC in general equation of a circuit. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Implies x square plus y square, substitute in this, 2 into minus 2 minus 4x, put f equal to minus 3, 2 into minus 3 minus 6y plus c plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circuit. These models are very important for IPE level for 7 marks. No? Thank you for watching.